Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and hello if you're new. Make sure that you subscribe before you leave, that way you'll never miss out on another video. In today's video, I'm going to be using henna hair dye for the first time on my hair, and I've never used it before, so I am kind of nervous, but I want to take you guys along with me. Okay, so before we get started on this video, I want to tell you guys that OK Pure Naturals did sponsor me. They sent me this henna hair dye. I actually requested for the brown color, but before we do anything, I want to let you guys know that even though this video is sponsored by them, I love this company. I have a ton of products from their company that I bought myself and a few that they have sent me, but this is the first time I have ever done anything like this where I'm trying a henna hair dye on my hair. You guys know that I'm very cautious about what I put in my hair, so I will be giving you guys my honest opinion today. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's apply this, and if I don't like it, I'm gonna be completely honest with you. If I do like it, I'll show you guys the results, and I will show you guys everything that it does to my hair. So henna not only colors your hair, but it also makes it stronger. It helps it grow, adds a bunch of shine. Like, it is a super intense therapy for your hair to apply henna. So with that being said, let's just go ahead and get started. Okay, so here's what I'm using. This is from OK Pure Naturals. This is their henna longer lasting hair color in the color brown. Okay, so in the packet comes instructions, this little mixing thingy, some gloves, and the dye. Inside the packet, the dye is in another packet. Make sure that you kind of protect the area that you're working in, because henna does dye your skin, your clothing, so just be careful with that. Okay, next it says to mix 4 parts water. I don't know what that means. So what I'm gonna do is just mix it until it becomes like a paste kind of formula, because I do know that when you work with henna, it has to be like a paste formula. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna add a little bit of water at a time so that I don't mess this up. There is no strong smell. It does smell very herbally and like earthy. It doesn't really smell like the henna that I'm used to, but it doesn't bother me at all. It's actually pretty nice. Okay, so I think I actually added a little bit too much water, but I'm just gonna work with what I have because I still think it's gonna do a pretty good job of covering up all of my hair. And I think actually this might be a little bit easier to use too. So they do supply gloves, and these are it. So I'm gonna put these on, and I'm just gonna start to apply it onto my hair. I have no idea what the results are gonna be. I'm kind of nervous, I'm kind of excited, but I've heard so many things about what henna does for your hair and how healthy it makes it just in one use alone. So that part is really exciting me. And this company, OK Pure Naturals, their henna is so natural. Their products are so natural. I love their oils especially. So I'm really excited to try the hair dye. Okay, so I'm just gonna go in. Actually, I think I'm gonna start from the back, and I'll show you guys like how I do it. So when you are working with henna, you do want to make sure that you are covering the floors and your clothing, because henna stains. I'm just going to apply it onto my fingers and just start to apply it on my hair. It's really cool and cold. Like, even though the water is warm, it has a very cooling sensation on the skin. Like, I kind of like that. It is easy to apply with like my fingers alone. I'm not having too much of a hard time applying it. It's like, as you can see, it attaches to the hair really quickly. Like, the hair, I feel like, is absorbing it and just grasping onto the henna pretty nicely. So while I apply this onto my hair, I'm gonna read to you guys the benefits of applying henna to your hair. Henna dye is actually a natural herbal powder, and it's been used for centuries to naturally color hair and skin too even. Even aside from that, it has a bunch of nourishing benefits that include strengthening your hair. It detoxes the follicles, so it's really good to massage it in too. It conditions and it prevents dandruff. And it also sets the stage for healthy hair growth and new hair production. How henna works is basically it naturally binds to the keratin, the protein of your hair. It mixes into the hair and it doesn't artificially cover your existing hair color. Henna makes each strand of your hair stronger. It also makes your hair prone to less breakage. It smooths out the hair cuticle. It improves the appearance of the hair. It thickens your hair as well, and it promotes a lot of hair growth. There's a lot less shedding when you apply henna to your hair regularly, and it conditions your hair and your scalp too. With the henna, you can apply it to your scalp. With hair dye, you don't want to apply the dye to your scalp because it can just irritate it. With henna, there's no problem. Okay, so now that the henna is all the way on my hair, what I'm gonna do is tie this up, and it says to leave it on your hair for about an hour, up to 3 hours for the best results. So what I'm gonna do is leave this on for about 2 hours, and I'll wash it off, and then I'll come back and show you guys the results. I'm kind of curious, and I really like how dark my hair is right now. I'm kind of liking it. So stay tuned for the result. When you do go to wash your hair, you have to wash it out a few times just to get the henna out. Okay guys, I'm back and my hair looks completely different. I haven't had dark hair in probably over 15 years. So this is completely different to me, but I love it. I know you could probably even tell on camera, it's very, very shiny. My hair feels really, really soft. My hair hasn't looked this healthy in a long time. It feels really good. My hair feels really, really good. I can feel that the henna put nutrients back into my hair. It's shinier, bouncier, softer, a lot easier to work with. It is the next day. I let it air dry and it kind of dried wavy, and then I brushed it and it kind of straightened out a little bit. Now the box says it's the color brown, but just keep in mind that if you have light hair like I did, it's going to turn super dark. Now, if you have gray hair, use henna. Like I'm telling you, henna is your dream hair dye for gray hair if you want to get rid of grays. Because what it does, it really, really sticks to each and every single strand of your hair, coating it without damaging it at all. So it's really, really amazing to me that I got this hair color from henna. And I didn't have to go and like put chemicals on my hair. That is something that blows my mind. And to get results like this, like the pigmentation of the black is beautiful to me. I don't like black hair on myself, and that's why I haven't had it for years. I like, if I were to dye my hair black, it would have to be like really dark black and shiny. So this is exactly what I pictured the perfect black hair to look like. This is the perfect black for me, so I will be keeping this for a while. I probably will go back to light hair, but after a while, because I kind of like this and I want to keep it. It's different. It's totally different. Like when I walk past the mirror and I look at myself, I'm just like a little bit in shock because it's so different for me, but I really like it. So I want you guys to see how shiny it is, and I can run my fingers through it with no problem. It did cover up a lot of the brassiness, and it just made my hair look a lot healthier. It feels a lot healthier. If you guys are interested in dyeing your hair black, go with henna. Like that is my biggest recommendation for you guys. Use henna, and this one by OK Pure Naturals was really, really good. Very easy to use. It wasn't as messy as I thought it would be. I will leave the links to this hair dye down below. They do have different color options. I think I got the lightest color option. So that's why it's not like super pitch black dark. So overall, I'm really happy with my hair and the results. I want to know your guys' opinion though. Now, you always have to keep in mind when you do something, when you change something about yourself, whether it's your hair, the way you do your makeup, you always have to make sure that you're happy with it first and foremost. So I am happy with it. And now I want to know your guys' opinion. What do you guys think? Do you guys like it? Do you guys like my lighter hair better? Leave me a comment down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.